As soon as you get the poster, pop it up on the wall where your teachers can see it, children can see it, families can see it, casual teachers can see it. And as you know, our kits are grounded in positive psychology research. We've also been really influenced by Mind Up, which explicitly teaches kids about the brain. And what we've done is added an animal analogy to represent these key parts of the brain that young and old absolutely love. So have a little look at how I explain it.
So the guard dog. The guard dog is a wonderful character. The guard dog is your amygdala. And with your amygdala, obviously you can't always tell the difference between real and perceived stress. So with the guard dog, students learn that there is no lion in the room. We're actually never in danger when we're in school, fortunately, particularly in Australia. So you don't need your guard dog to be big and ferocious. Now your guard dog is fantastic at passing joy through, but it is also really big and bossy. And the problem with the guard dog is it stops these other animal helpers from doing what they do best. So let's meet your elephant who tries to remember. And your elephant who tries to remember is actually called the hippocampus. And as the name would suggest, it helps you remember. It locks in your happy memories. It also enables you to recall information. And you really need a small guard dog to be able to access your elephant, your hippocampus. So the other animal characters are our sifting sooty, which is actually the reticular activating system. We always refer to this as the RAS. Now in the actual animal kingdom, the real sifting sooty, which is a shearwater sooty, it flies for 500 kilometres every day for a year. So it has the most incredible focus of any animal in the animal kingdom, which is why we've given the sifting sooty this particular name, because the RAS is actually the area for focus. Once again, you need a small guard dog if you're going to be able to focus. And we're constantly teaching, well, not teaching, we're constantly asking children to focus, to pay attention, but there's a really key element that's missing, and that's actually teaching them how to focus. Because if you don't learn how to focus, it's very hard to focus. So then we've also got the star of the show, which is your wise owl. It's your prefrontal cortex, helps you make good decisions, helps you be a flexible friend. And your wise owl, obviously at school, is particularly useful because that's your real higher order thinking. Once again, your hippocampus, your wise owl, your sifting sooty, none of these things work productively and well when our guard dog is heightened, when our amygdala is heightened. So these cheat sheets just sit up on the wall, and underneath each of them are little pointers for how you either grow them, if it's something like your hippocampus or prefrontal cortex or RAS, but also how you shrink your amygdala. So there's just little pointers, and when you jump online, there's sheets like this that are worksheets that students can access and teachers can access, and they can actually fill in, well, how do I grow this, how do I shrink this?